Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat not opening problem. So if you try to open your Snapchat and it just does not opens up, the first thing you need to do is just delete your Snapchat and reinstall it again. Once you delete your Snapchat and reinstall the app, all of the setting inside of Snapchat will be resetted and you should be able to open Snapchat and use it. Let's say even after deleting the app and reinstalling it again, it did not work. Then in that case, what you need to do is go inside your setting, and inside of your phone settings, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see Snapchat. Once you see Snapchat, click on Snapchat, and over here make sure your microphone and your camera setting is both on, because for Snapchat to work it requires microphone and camera, and if both of these settings are off, you're basically not providing it the permission to use it. And the main feature of Snapchat is the camera, and until and unless it can access that, it's not going to work. So make sure both of these settings are on and open up your Snapchat. It should work. If it still doesn't work, then make sure to check your Wi-Fi as well, because sometimes due to slow internet as well, it causes this problem. And the other issue could be that Snapchat is fixing their server. So from time to time Snapchat takes down their server to fix the issue. So in that case, it's not going to work. And to check if Snapchat servers are down or not, just go on your browser. You want to search for this: is Snapchat down detector. Once you search for it, scroll a bit down and click on where it says downdetector.com, and then it's going to show you if it is working or not. So it says, so user report indicates no current problem, which means Snapchat servers are not down. So if there is any issue, then it's basically an issue with my Snapchat, not with the server. But my Snapchat problem is already fixed, which means it's working. So by following the step which I showed you, your Snapchat problem should be fixed. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.